this problem, we're given A is equal to 5,000, R is equal to 7% or 0.07, and T is equal to 10 years. It says fill in a following table for P. Now these first four, we got 1, 4, 12, and 365. These don't say continuous, so the formula we're going to be using is this one right here. A is equal to P times 1 plus R over N to the NT power. Now we want to find P, so to get P by itself with this formula, we'd divide both sides by 1 plus R over N to the NT power. Oops. Try it again. P1 plus R over N to the NT power. And dividing both sides by 1 plus R over N to the NT power. When we do that, these are going to cancel here and give us that P is equal to A over 1 plus R over N to the NT. So this is the formula we're going to be using on those first four boxes. So let's look at our first one. N is equal to 1. Well, we're using this formula right here, so we'll just start plugging in our numbers. A is 5,000 over 1 plus R, which was 0.07, divided by N, which is 1, raised to the NT power. So that's 1 times T, which is 10. And you want to do a little bit of simplifying before you plug in your calculator. So I got 5,000 over 1 plus 0.07. 1 times 10 gives us 10. So that's 10th power. So let's see what that gives us. 5,000 divided by, let's see, beginning parentheses, 1 plus 0.07, close the parentheses, caret 10. Enter. So that gives us $2,541 and 75 cents. Now let's do the same thing for N is equal to 4. We're going to go with this formula. We'll start plugging in what we got. A is 5,000 over 1 plus R, which is 0.07, divided by N, which is 4 in this problem. Raise the NT power, which would be 4 times T, which is 10. So that's going to give us 5,000 over 1 plus 0.07 divided by 4. 4 times 10 gives us 40th power. So we got 5,000 divided by, beginning parentheses, 1 plus 0.07 divided by 4, closing parentheses, caret 40. Enter. And we get $2,498.00. Well, the next one is N is equal to 12. So same idea. We're going to plug in what we're given in this formula. So A is 5,000 over 1 plus R, which is 0.07, divided by N, which is 12 in this problem. Raise the NT power. So 12 times T, which was 10. Do a little bit of simplifying. So that's 5,000 over 1 plus 0.07 divided by 12, raised to the 12 times 10, which is 120 power. Okay, so let's see what that gives us. 5,000 divided by beginning parentheses 1 plus 0.07 divided by n, which is 12, close parentheses, caret 120, enter. And we get 2,487.98. Now, next one's n is equal to 365. We'll plug it in the same formula. So P is equal to 5,000 over 1 plus 0.07 divided by n, which is 365, raised to the 365 times t, which is 10 power. Which gives us 5,000 over 1 plus 0.07 divided by 365. 365 times 10 is 3,650 power. So we got 5,000 divided by, beginning parentheses, 1 plus 0.07 divided by 365, close parentheses, caret 3,650. And that gives us $2,483.09. Now these are our principal. This is what we'd have to deposit into the bank to get that. Okay. Now our problem here says A is 5,000, R is 7%, so 0.07, and T is 10. Now the last one says continuous compounding, which means we're going to use our PERT formula. So we got A is equal to P e to the RT power. We want to solve this for P, so we divide both sides by e to the RT power. So we got A divided by e to the RT is equal to PE r to the RT divided by e to the RT. When we do that, these e to the RT's cancel. And we got P is equal to A divided by e to the RT power. Well, that's what we want to plug that into, this formula right here. Well, A we just said was 5,000 over e to the r is 0.07, RT power, so times 10. Now you pretty want to just plug this in as you see it. Do not put any extra parentheses. So we got 5,000 divided by e, which is second ln, second natural log, and then we'll put in 0.07 times 10. So 0.07 times 10. Enter. And we get $2,482.93. And those are our answers.